If your browser is open all day, it should be doing more of the work for you. In this video, you'll see 7 Chrome extensions that quietly save me around 10 hours every single week. No fancy setup, no coding, just small upgrades that make everything you already do online faster. Watch until the end because the last extension is the one that replaces a ton of boring copy-paste work.
First, let's fix the chaos that eats the most time: email and tabs. Extension number 1 is a tab manager. Instead of having 30 random tabs open, this lets you group them into workspaces like client work, finances, and learning. With one click, you can save your current tab session, close everything, and reopen it later exactly as it was. This stops you from hunting through tiny tab icons for that one document or dashboard you needed. The best way to use it is simple. At the start of a work block, open the tabs you actually need, save them as a named workspace, and close everything else. Your brain will feel lighter, and switching between projects no longer means opening 10 sites from scratch. Extension number 2 is an email triage tool. It adds quick actions next to each email so you can archive, snooze, or turn a message into a task in one click. Instead of reading the same email 3 times, you make a decision once and move it out of the inbox. Here's the workflow. Once or twice a day, open your inbox on a desktop, scan from top to bottom, and use those action buttons to clear everything you don't need to see again. This turns email from a constant distraction into a scheduled task that stays under control.
Next, let's speed up how you deal with long pages, articles, and research. Extension number 3 is a read later and clean reading mode. When you find a useful article, instead of keeping the tab open forever, you click one button and send it to a clean reading list. The extension strips out ads, sidebars, and distractions so you just see the text. Use it like this. During the day, when you see something interesting, send it to your reading list instead of just quickly scanning it. Then have 1 or 2 reading sessions per week where you go through your saved articles in a distraction-free view. This keeps you focused on your actual tasks while still letting you learn. Extension number 4 is an AI summarizer. Highlight any article, YouTube transcript, or PDF in your browser, click the icon, and it gives you a short summary in plain language. You can ask it to summarize in 5 bullet points or give you the key actions only. The simple habit here is summarize before you commit. Instead of spending 20 minutes reading something that might not matter, get a quick summary and decide whether it's worth a deep dive. Over a week, this saves hours you would have spent on low-value reading. Now, let's stop losing ideas and information. Extension number 5 is a one-click web clipper for your note-taking or workspace app. When you find something you want to keep, a useful template, a client message, a code snippet, you click once and save the page, quote, or screenshot directly into your organized notes. The key is to send everything into the same small set of folders or databases, like ideas, resources, and clients. That way, when you need it later, you don't search your whole computer, you go straight to the right place and it's already tagged and searchable. Extension number 6 is a text expander. You create shortcuts that expand into full sentences or paragraphs you type all the time. That could be your email intros, client replies, or step-by-step instructions you give to people. Set up a few of these for phrases you write every day. Then, whenever you catch yourself typing the same thing a second time, turn it into a shortcut. Within a week, you'll notice how much less you're typing manually.
Finally, let's kill the really boring stuff. Extension number 7 is a simple automation helper. It can watch what you do in the browser, like filling out the same form, downloading reports, or copying data, and then repeat those actions for you with a single click. Here's a practical example. Let's say once a week you log into a dashboard, apply the same filters, export a CSV, and upload it to another tool. Instead of doing those steps manually, you record the workflow once. Next week, you press one button and the extension runs the clicks for you. This is where the real time savings come from. You're not just going faster, you're skipping entire tasks.
You don't need all 7 of these running at once. Start with 1 or 2 that solve the biggest headache you have right now. Maybe email, tabs, or long reading, and get comfortable with those first. Then come back to this video, add another extension, and keep stacking small wins. If you want more faceless tutorials like this on software, AI tools, and workflows that help you work faster, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments which extension you want a deeper step-by-step tutorial on next.